The Apollo 13 mission is often remembered for the resilience and ingenuity of its crew, overcoming near catastrophe to return safely to Earth. While the primary mission objective was to explore a certain region of the Moon, the mission's lunar images offer a unique glimpse into the celestial body's stark beauty and scientific significance. Launched on April 11, 1970, Apollo 13 was the third planned lunar landing mission in NASA's Apollo program. However, just 2 days into the mission, an oxygen tank exploded, forcing the crew to abandon their lunar landing plans and focus on a safe return to Earth. Despite the challenges they faced, the Apollo 13 crew managed to capture a series of remarkable lunar images during their journey. The lunar images from Apollo 13 contributed to our understanding of lunar geology and surface features. The crew's unplanned trajectory provided a unique perspective, capturing regions not previously photographed by Apollo missions. The Apollo 13 lunar images stand as a testament to humanity's quest for exploration and knowledge, immortalizing a pivotal moment in the history of space exploration. Thanks for watching.